Introducing Secure Supplies, the leading manufacturer and distributor of fuel injection system parts for diesel engines. With over 30 years of experience in the fuel injection field, our company is dedicated to providing top-quality products and excellent service. We offer a range of hydrogen gas fuel injectors specifically designed for V12, V16, and V18 engines. Our injectors are engineered to optimize engine performance and maximize fuel efficiency. Experience the power of hydrogen fuel with our cutting-edge technology. In addition, we provide fuel conversion systems for all engine power plants. Whether you're using diesel, ammonia, gas, or lean gas fuels, we have the solution for you. Our conversion systems are designed to seamlessly integrate into your existing setup, providing a smooth transition to cleaner and more efficient energy sources. Choose Secure Supplies for reliable fuel injection system parts and fuel conversion systems. Experience enhanced performance, reduced emissions, and cost-effective solutions. Contact us today to discuss your specific needs and let us help you unlock the full potential of your engine. www.secure.supplies